our feminine superpowers in our business or in our work. How do we know that we are functioning under our feminine energy? How does it manifest when we are using these feminine superpowers? So, this is what I'm going to talk about in this live, and I would like to give some examples also of what it looks like to be using our feminine superpowers in our work and our business. First of all, let me just say that this is going to be a series of several live videos where I'm going to talk about each and every superpower by itself and how it manifests in our work. But to start, first, a powerful feminine woman has to be manifesting on the outside in the physical world her soul's purpose, her divine mission, the mission that she was sent to this earth to execute. And this requires that we connect to our feminine energy. This requires that we take our own heroine's journey. We have been programmed throughout our, like, the societal conditioning, our upbringing as well, that there are certain jobs or certain careers that are women friendly, that are like the best careers for women. And we're also told that if we want to succeed in the world, we got to do things a man's way. We see that especially true in the corporate world. And I can tell you from my own experience and from all of the women that I have had the pleasure to connect with, we are all taking our own heroine's journey, and at some point this journey starts when we are doing, when we are in careers or jobs that feel depleting and draining for our energy. And this happens because we're functioning mostly under our masculine energy, because again, we're told that you do things a man's way in order to succeed. And so in the corporate world, there isn't enough space for our feminine essence to express. That's what we're told. But we can use our unique feminine essence. We can use our feminine superpowers in everything that we do, regardless of the career we have or the job that we're doing. And so I believe that there comes a point in every woman's journey where her inner feminine starts nudging her and telling her that what she's doing on the outside is not a true reflection of her soul's purpose, her divine mission. Which is why we see a lot of women exiting the corporate world to start their own businesses. But this requires, like I said, that they connect with their feminine energy. It requires that they connect with their unique feminine essence. Because this is what we came into this world to do. And that is exactly what the world needs, that we manifest our soul's purpose. Of course, this requires that we unlearn a lot of things about what it means to be a woman, what it means to be successful, what it means to be efficient in our work. And this also requires that we let go of perfectionism, because perfectionism, like I mentioned in the previous live video, is a manifestation of the wounded masculine. And it's starting from, it is based in a limiting belief that I'm not enough and I have to be perfect to be accepted. And it's truly a ghost, it's a phantom that we're chasing that does not exist, something that doesn't exist. And when we are in connection with our soul's purpose, our divine mission here on earth, we are more in honor of our own human experience. We are connected to that experience because we know we came here on earth to make this world a better place by expressing our unique feminine essence. And so we have to tap into that place where we are able to discover what is my divine mission, what is my soul's purpose here on earth. And the nudges of your inner feminine start really guiding you and leading you that way. You have to listen. You have to allow yourself to listen to your inner feminine and allow yourself to be guided by her. And this is what, when a woman is embodying her soul's purpose, her unique feminine essence, is expressing through her soul's mission, it looks so beautiful. It looks as if it's natural. She's a natural. It comes just natural to her. And sometimes because of that energy that we receive from these women who are really connected with their soul's purpose, we think that, you know, what they do must be super easy. What they do must be super lucrative, maybe. What they do must be super fun. But it's because it's not easy. Of course, it's not easy. We have to learn a lot of things, unlearn a lot of things, and then learn a lot of things on that journey. But it's the passion that just exudes through whatever we do. It is that knowing that this is my divine mission that I'm fulfilling, that I'm here to serve, and through this service I am making the world a better place. And again, this is irrelevant of the type of work that you do. You could be selling a product or a service. You could be even volunteering to, you know, give service to your community. But through that, you're allowing your unique feminine essence to express, and you're bringing more healing and balance into the world. Because what the world needs is bringing more of our feminine essence into it, bringing more of the qualities of the feminine energy into it, so that we can balance the energies. And like I said, sometimes because we feel that energy from that woman that is so connected to her soul's mission, and she's just she feels like she's really fulfilled in that mission. She looks really successful, and she's happy, and she is exuding that confidence. And so we think, okay, it's probably that career or that job that I need to have in order to experience all that she is experiencing. But it really has nothing to do with the type of work that she is doing. It has to do with her allowing herself to fulfill her soul's mission. That is what she is doing in everything that she does. And so one example that I could give you is this isn't to say that on our journey to find our soul's purpose, this is something like super easy and it's going to come like naturally to us. No, it's not. Sometimes it's going to take a lot of healing on our part, a lot of inner work on our part, but it's definitely worth it. And sometimes you will be asked, if you are this woman that is manifesting her soul's purpose, you are going to be asked, how do I get to do what you're doing? Maybe you're a coach, maybe you're a consultant, maybe you are a salesperson. You will be asked by people, How do I get to have that same work that you're doing, that same job, that same business? And chances are you will probably tell others how to do the work that you're doing. But then it will come to a point where they will discover that this isn't my soul's purpose. And so, to anyone who is watching this, if you think that, that career looks so good on someone else, I have to have that career, it's not in the career itself, it's not in the business itself, it's not in the work itself. It is in that work that you see on the outside being a reflection of her own soul's purpose. This is the energy that you are receiving from her. And you can exude that same energy when you are connected to your passion, when you are connected to your reason of being on this earth. And it will look as beautiful on you, it will look as alluring on you, it will look as attractive on you, as beautiful on you. And so that is why it is a superpower for us to connect to our soul's purpose, to our divine mission. It takes work on our part to do that. It takes healing. It takes a lot of unlearning and relearning. It takes that we take the step to redefine what success is on our own terms. Success the feminine way, leading our own lives the feminine way. And this requires also that we bring into play all of the other feminine superpowers that I will be talking about in the coming live videos. So you might want to turn on the notifications for live videos and also posts and IGTV videos, because I'm going to post this on IGTV as well, so that you don't miss out on the other parts of this series. But initially it starts with us manifesting or being connected to our soul's purpose, our divine mission here on earth. Because when we are in that container, we feel nourished, we feel energized, we feel like it doesn't feel like work. It's not like we're pouring energy into something that exhausts us, which is what happens when we are under our masculine energy. We are just exhausting our energy, we're depleting our energy. Whereas if when we are connected to our soul's purpose, we will be tired, of course. We will experience days that we don't feel like showing up, but I can tell you from my own experience, on the days that I don't feel like showing up, I just have to like put that pen to the paper and just start writing, and I'm transported to that place where I'm connected back to my mission, and I just feel energized, I just feel nourished again. I feel better right away. My emotional state just shifts right away. Sometimes I don't feel I feel tired or I'm feeling depleted. But when I show up on that session, I'm in a totally different world. I am in a state where I feel like I'm being nourished. Really, my energy is just revived. I feel re-energized, and this is because I get to pour my soul into that container, my heart into that container, that also in turn is going to feed my energy and nourish me. Whereas if I'm working, like I used to work in a bank, I never ever experienced that feeling where I felt, fulfilled. Like, yes, this is my mission, this is my purpose here in life, this is what I was created for, and I'm giving from my heart and I'm serving without thinking about really anything. So that is because, I was doing something that is not a reflection of my truth, not reflection of my purpose and mission here on earth, and because I was, performing under my masculine energy, and I ended up feeling super depleted and exhausted. So, this is the first part of the series of using our feminine energy in, or using our feminine superpowers in our business or our work. Stay tuned for the coming live videos. And if you want to learn more about your feminine superpower, if you want to reclaim your feminine power from the societal conditioning, from your upbringing, from your past, your childhood, if you want to take that journey of redefining femininity on your own terms, of allowing your feminine superpowers to express, of discovering your unique feminine essence and allowing it to express through everything that you do, through your work, your relationships, I invite you to connect with me over a free strategy session where you and I can talk more about how my coaching program can help you. My 3-month coaching program is really a flavorful blend of science-based tools and techniques, and also feminine energy tools and techniques that are really fun, juicy, and effective, because healing is part of that journey, and it's very important that we do that work in alignment with our physiology, with the engineering of our nervous system and our subconscious mind, so that the results that we obtain are successful results, are effectively healing our nervous system, effectively healing our subconscious mind from all the past negative experiences. So if you head over to the link in my bio, you can find the link to my scheduler. Just click on book your free session, and also in my profile there's a tab that says book now. Click that and you will be directed to my scheduler as well, so you can pick your free session. And I'm looking forward to connecting with more women who are on that journey of reclaiming their feminine power. Thank you to everyone who joined, and I will see you in the next live. Thank you.